Welcome everybody. In this video we show you how you can deploy a MonetDB instance on Azure and create your first database. First, let's go to MonetDB's product page on the Azure Marketplace. You can find it in the Marketplace search bar. Once here, click on Get Now and Continue. MonetDB is free, you just need to pay for the VM instance that you use. You can create an instance from scratch or use the preset configuration. In this guide, we'll create one from scratch. Here we have the standard settings to configure a virtual machine on Azure. Let's quickly go through these since it's really dependent on your needs. Once finished, click on Review and Create to create the instance. If during the configuration you chose to generate a new private key for the connection to this VM, you can save it in this phase. You can view the status of your VM on the Azure Overview page. Once it's up and running, you can start using it. To connect with SSH to the VM, you can check the command on the Connect button with passages to connect to your just created VM. Just a small interlude. First, assign the required permission using chmod to the previously downloaded key. Remember to specify the path to the key. Here I'm already in the directory where my key is stored. Now you can connect to the VM using its IP and private key file. Now we are in the MonetDB VM. We already have MonetDB running with a DB farm, so what we have to do is create a new database. And to do so, you can check MonetDB website in the Azure guide on how to create a new DB and do your first query.
Create the database with the create command. Then release it from maintenance mode. And finally, connect to the DB.
Once connected to our new DB through mClient, we can run our first SQL query. To shut down the mClient, just type \q. And to disconnect from the VM, type exit. Finally, remember to stop the VM on Azure, especially if you have a pay-per-use VM. That's it. Thank you for your attention and I'll see you at the next video.